Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics tracking to email campaigns with Mailchimp. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to monitor how your email recipients interact with your website, giving you valuable insights into your campaign's effectiveness. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready before proceeding. Now, here's an important thing to note before we dive into creating campaigns. You need to have your Google Analytics integration enabled in Mailchimp for this to work. If you haven't set this up yet, don't worry. We'll do that first. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Integrations. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Manage. So go ahead and click on that. You'll now see a list of available integrations. Look for the Google Analytics option and click Connect. This will prompt you to log in with your Google account and authorize the integration between Mailchimp and Google Analytics. Complete this authorization process to link the two platforms together. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection that will allow tracking data to flow between your emails and Google Analytics. Once your integration is set up, click on Campaigns in the left navigation menu. Then, on the top right corner of your screen, select Create. This will start the process of building your new email campaign. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your email. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify this campaign later. After entering the name, click on Create Email. This action will direct you to your campaign settings menu where you can configure all the important details for your email. From your campaign settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Settings and Tracking. This is where all the tracking options live. Click the Edit button on its top right corner to access these settings. Here you'll see different options available to enable, such as e-commerce link tracking, plain text clicks, and most importantly, Google Analytics link tracking. To enable Google Analytics tracking, simply click on the checkbox next to it. This tells Mailchimp to add tracking parameters to all the links in your email. Once you enable it, a new field will appear asking you to enter a title for this email link tracking. This title helps you identify this specific campaign when reviewing your Google Analytics data later. Enter a descriptive title that makes sense for your campaign, then click Save, and that's it. You've successfully added Google Analytics tracking to your Mailchimp email campaign. Now, when recipients click links in your email, you'll be able to track their behavior in Google Analytics and measure the true impact of your email marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.